there should not be any delay. Okay. Yeah, we'll just start now. You just look at the, yeah, we finished this. We were just measuring. The elephant is heavier than the cow. We said true. The cat is bigger than the dog. Okay, I just want better now if I call somebody. Yeah. Akhilan, can you tell me the second answer? Akhilan, Rida, say the answer, Rida. The cat is bigger than the dog. Shows the size. Come on. Rida?
False.
False. Very good. The crayons are longer than the table. Aratrika?
Yes, ma'am.
The crayons are longer than the table.
False. False.
See, I'm asking only one child, please. You don't turn on your mic. I asked Aratrika. Now, Sona, last one. Read a bottle. Sona, read soon.
A bottle
Holds more water than a bucket. Is it true or false?
False.
Yeah. Now we are going to the next one. Multiplication means repeated. Let me, Dhruv, answer Dhruv. Multiplication means?
Ma'am, multiplication means repeated addition.
This is only revision. Don't tell me that we did. I'm just asking you to go through because I want other children to join. Now, thank you, Dhruv. Ansh, division means? Division means? From your notebook you read. Ansh John. Alvin.
Ma'am?
Can you tell me the answer division means?
Yes, ma'am.
Division means what?
Equal.
Very good. Equal distribution. Now don't worry about the other.
Ma'am, this is Ansh, ma'am.
Excuse me. Who's this?
Ansh, ma'am.
Okay, Ansh, you can turn off your mic. Okay, you can turn off your mic. 5 kilometers is 5,000 meters. 8,000 meters is, it's already done, 8 kilometers. 1,000 milliliter is 1 liter. Now listen, children, this much we completed. You can continue. Now, leave a line and leave a line. Everybody, leave a line. In the margin, write today's date, 16/3. Because I saw 1 year, I repeated. 16/3. Okay. In the margin, you can continue. Those who are joining in between will give trouble, but anyway, ma'am will tell them. Fifth one is, after fifth one, leave a line. In the margin, write 16/3. Then write 6, copy that. 9 liters equals dash ml, milliliter. Children, see how neatly it's arranged on the screen. Same way you have to do it in your classwork. Now, Mishti, can you tell me the answer, Mishti?
Yes.
Only Mishti. Yes, Mishti girl. Tell me the answer. Turn off your mic, all other children. Turn off your mic. Only Mishti must switch on. Mishti, try Mishti. 9 liters equals how many milliliters?
9,000.
Very good. Everybody's mic, some problem is there. Never mind, okay, because vibration is there. Now, please write, children. I will wait for you. Write this. Continue from where you stopped yesterday. Continue. 9 liters equals 9,000 milliliter. Now, Kanira, can you tell me the next one? How many times 2 is repeated?
Ma'am?
How many times 2 is repeated?
Okay, ma'am.
Kanira, turn off your mic, Kanira. One second. Effie, tell Effie. Kanira had a chance first. Effie. Effie's not there. Shashwata. Shashwata. Alan. Alan.
Yes, ma'am.
Who's this? Alan.
Yes, ma'am.
Alan, can you tell me how many times 2 is repeated over there? 2.
Ma'am, 6 times,
So,
ma'am.
what will you write on this blank?
Ma'am, 6 into 2.
6. Now, children, listen carefully. Listen carefully. When I gave you test, you all, not all, many of you wrote answer there. No. 6 times 2 equals what, Alan?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer for 6 times 2?
Ma'am, 6 2 equals 12, ma'am.
So you have to write only the last. Who's that? Who's? Okay, whose mic is on? Okay, thank you, Alan. 1 second, children. Don't
Thank
turn
you.
on your. Okay, others don't turn. Okay, don't turn. Now, children, you have to listen to one thing. Some children will add 2's and write of 12 after equal. That's wrong. Ma'am won't give mark. 12 into 2, that's different answer. After counting the number, that is number 2, how many times? 6 times. I'll show you. 6 times 2. If you write this 12 here, it's wrong. You don't come and fight with me for mark, because it will come 12 into 2, that's different. First step is this. Now, you just look at the first one. Multiplication means repeated addition. See here, this is the example. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 is repeated so many times. Instead of writing like that, shortcut, 6 times 2. 2 is repeated 6 times. 6 times 2 equals 12. Clear? Now, no need to answer. You have to observe what all things given. Now, copy the next one, children. Those who finish 7th one. If you leave one line, it will be neat. Copy the 8th question. Don't tell any answer. Copy the 8th question. Johannes Thomas, I need your help to complete this sentence, statement. Johannes Thomas. Yes, where are you? Johan, long time now I'm calling that. Okay, Jonathan. Jonathan, are you there? Jonathan, no? Okay, Manu, other children must write all the questions till 10. By the time we will ask one by one to tell me the answer. Manu, are you there, Manu? Sujin.
Ma'am,
Read the question, Sujin.
the difference of 15 and 10 is?
Yeah. I'll tell you how to find out. The difference, difference means you have to minus, subtract, take away 10 from 15. Yes, Sujin? Answer is? Very good. See, in your mind, after 10, children, easy way to find out. I always tell you, when you subtract, take the first number. 15 and 10. Take the second number. 15 minus 10. Take 10. Close all your fingers. After 10, you start counting. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. When you reach the first number, stop. Answer is 5. 1 minute, children. If it's given like this, Israelina, open out all, close your fingers, raise your hand, close your fingers. Okay, now 15 minus, only one hand is enough, right hand. 15 minus 10. Please listen carefully. You have to take the second number is 10. Okay, now after, don't open. After 10, open one by one finger. 11, 12,
13, 14, 15.
So what is the answer? Your fingers you count. What is
15,
the,
ma'am.
no, what is your
5, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Children, that when we teach something, listen carefully. So 5 is the answer. Now I want Sharan Pranav. Are you there, Sharan?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read 9th question? Can you read 9th question?
The product of 5 threes is equal to 15.
Okay, children, 1 minute. Very good, ma. Very good, Sharan. Listen, the product means answer. Okay, turn off your mic. Product is the answer. When you read the product of 5 into 3, don't say 5 times 3. Never mind, but don't say 5 threes are and all that. 5 times 3 or 5 into 3 is equal to, say the table in your mind. 1, 3 is 3, 2, 3 are 6. Let me come back 1 minute. I need one child to say. Abhisha, say the table of 3 in your mind. When it reaches 5 into 3, you must stop. Start telling the table. 1, 3 is 3.
1, 3 is 3. 2, 3 are 2. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. 5 3s are 15.
That's all. That's what you have to listen. When it reaches 5, 3, stop. The answer is 5 3s are 15. See, children, you have to do like this. Or the worksheet in maths. Now, next question is for children. 1 minute. Don't. Who's that turning on the mic when I don't call? Who's that, ma? Tell me, what's your problem? Tell. No telling the answer when your name is not called. Sanjay Krishna, can you help me? The last one. If you multiply something into 10, you will get 0.
Yes, ma'am.
Say, Sanjay.
10, ma'am. Ma'am, answer is 0, ma'am.
What happened, Sanjay? Sanjay, when you're telling something, you stay quietly. Prepare to tell something. Don't be wavery and don't move. Now tell me 10 into dash equals 0.
0, ma'am.
What is the answer? 0. Very good. You just say like that. Don't be shaking the camera. Mic, okay? If you multiply any number with 0, you will get 0. Okay. But in between, I don't know who's coming. Okay, good. Turn off your mic. It's nothing, children. When you turn on your mic, some disturbance. Shamma, did you complete? I want everybody to complete this. Everyone.
No, ma'am, I did not complete, ma'am.
Okay, I'm telling. Shamma, don't turn on your mic. You do it. You don't turn on your mic. Only when I call Shamma, answer, you must tell. Okay, Shamma. Because some disturbance with the mic. Now, hope all would have completed. Some children are still writing. Don't make any, Sri Mugilan, any problem for sitting? Any problem? Keep your legs down. Sit up straight. Sri Mugilan, yeah. Sit up straight till you can finish your class. Be good, okay? Everyone. Now, all stretch. I don't want anybody to show the notebook. If you show, I will minus mark because others also will do. Hands up. Hands down. Sit down, sit down. No problem. Hands up. Hands down. Now you just stand, children. You just stand. Turn, stand and turn like that. Only you just turn your shoulder like, yeah. Please do it. Because you may feel uncomfortable. Okay. Those who are all right, please sit down. Those who are all right, sit down. Sit down. Yeah. Now, if you have place, you can continue leaving one line writing worksheet 3. Okay, then that is Shamma, you have to write fast. I see you always walking up and down. Then we'll have to go to the recording. Okay, now let's go to the next one. Children are not listening to the teachers. And don't tell we are scolding. We want you to do the work within a given time. Okay, because when you, now we are sending the assignment, you take your own time. But when you go to other classes, third standard and all that, you have to see the time and write the test. Now, listen here. You can write in a new page. If you do not have space, don't be asking, ma'am, I have no space. Don't say. You please copy the sums as it is. Write worksheet 3 on the first line. You can take a new page, no problem. Okay. Then leave 1 square and write the numbers. That means, listen, leave the first square up. Write 5, leave a square, 9, leave a square 6. Minus 237. Leave 2 columns. Copy all the sums, children. Leave 2 columns. 8. Leave a square. 1, 0. Minus. Leave 2 columns. Only do the subtraction first. Copy. I am not going to do it. I will ask you one by one to do it. Sorry, yeah. Just copy.
Ma'am, I have no more pages in my math book.
What, Jake?
I have no more pages in my math book.
Once again, you. What are you asking, Jake?
Ma'am, I have no more pages in my math.
No pages.
Classwork.
No pages in your classwork.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have another book with you?
I don't have another maths.
Okay. If you don't have another, I think you have 2 maths note and 1 test note. If you have another maths note, you can take or continue in the test note. Okay. Continue in the test note because you won't be, okay, you won't be using it again. No problem. Okay. You won't be using it. Yes. Yes, Jake.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody, those who do not have pages in your maths classwork or any classwork, you can use any book. No problem. Okay. Because you are sitting and learning from your own books. Okay. Now the first one is 597. Let me see. Sorry, 96 minus. First, you copy all the subtraction problems. Now, Effie, are you there, Effie? Effie?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you there? See, ma'am is not going to work out. Effie, both of us will work out the first sum. All of you take the first sum. 596. Now, how will you do it, Effie? Take 6 and 7. Come on. Which is bigger?
And 7 is bigger, so we cannot minus with 6 and 7. So we should borrow from 10th place, and 6 will become 16 and 9 will become 8.
Wait.
So-
Let them do. Children, as Effie told, 7 is bigger than 6. You cannot take 7 from 6. Borrow from 10th place. So 10th place, 9 will become 8 and 6 will become 16. Do it fast. Okay, Effie, continue. What is
okay, ma'am.
Yeah, 16 minus 7.
16 minus 7 equals to 9.
Very good.
8 minus 9 is
8 minus 3.
minus 3 equals to 5. And 5 minus 2 equals to 3. The answer is 359.
Very, very good. I want everybody to do that. 6 minus 7, you can't take, so borrow from 9. I'm telling you again, I don't want you to do rubbish and keep like 6 minus 7, 1, don't write. Listen carefully. 9 will become 8, 6 will become 16. I am not going to work out everything on this screen. You have to do it because 1 year you're practicing now. 16 minus 7 is 9. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. Now, yes, Sanvi, can you show me the first sum? How you did it? Only the first sum. I'm going to ask, yeah. Sanvi, only the first sum. Answer is 359. Answer is 359. Yes, Sanvi, you're doing it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do it. Israelina, can you show me the first sum? I told you only copy 3 sums.
200.
Yes, show me closer. I'm not able to see. But what is your answer, Israelina? Your answer. What is your answer?
359, ma'am.
359. Afterwards, you must read it. Very good, Israelina. Now, the second sum, I want Abisha to do. Abisha, do. Second one. Yes, do.
200.
I do. Abisha, tell 0 minus 0.
0.
You tell 1 minus 1.
0.
8 minus 6.
2.
So what is the answer?
200.
Very good, Abisha.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, next child is Sujin. Sujin, help Ma'am to do the last sum.
7 minus 1 equals 6. 2 minus 8 equals 6. 5 minus 2 equals
No, Sujin. Once again, what is 7 minus 1?
7 minus 1 is 6.
2 minus 8?
We learn minus 6. Just carry forward 1 from 5. And 5 will come 4.
Yeah,
12.
very good.
12 minus 8 is 12.
Very good. Then,
So 4 minus 2 is 2.
4 minus 2 is?
2.
Yes, you must explain like that. That's what I said. No. Very good. Sujin, now listen to me, children. 7 minus 1, see, you can't simply borrow. 7 minus 1 is 6. Now 2 minus 8. 2 minus 8. 8 is bigger than 2. Naturally, you have to borrow. You have to borrow from 5. 5 will become 4, that is hundreds place number. 2 will become 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. Answer is 246. Very good. Now leave 2 columns and copy the 3 multiplication. Be careful. We may not ask you to write add, subtract, multiply. No. We will ask you to do, see, work out the sums. Do the sums. So you have to see to the symbol. Okay. You have to see to the symbol. Please leave 2 columns. If you have no place, go to the next page and copy 3 sums. 501. Please copy neatly into each column. 3, 1. Leave 2 columns in between. 311 into 3. 121 into 4. Yes, Harish is going to work out the first sum. Copy, then ma'am will wait. 2 columns in between each sum, and you have to write the number in each square. Harish, 501 into 2. What is 2 ones are? Harish, please turn off your... No need to say, because you're going on looking at somebody and asking. I'll ask somebody else. Sri Mukilan, you have to be free to answer. I don't want you to ask any help from others. Everybody, this is general. Sri Mukilan, tell me, what is 2 ones are? 1 into 2. See, don't worry. 2 ones are. 2 ones are. 2. See. 2. 2 zeros. 2 into zeros.
2. 0.
What is it?
0.
Yeah. Think and tell. Okay, Sri Mukilan, don't be in a hurry. 5 twos are. 5 twos are. 5 twos are. Say the table of 2. First of all, you sit up straight, ma'am. Sri Mukilan, don't lie on the desk. Sit up straight. Say the table of 2 loud. 1 2 is 2. 2 twos are 4.
1 2 is 2. 2 twos are 4. 3 twos are 6. 4 twos are 8. 5 twos are 10.
So what will you write there? 5 twos are
10.
So you got 1002. Very good. Next child is Akshara. Do the second sum. Akshara, do the second sum. Akshara, hurry up. Anyone looks left and right? Ma'am, next child. 311 into 3. What is 3 ones are? 3 into 1.
Ma'am,
Tell me the answer, Akshara. 3 into 1. Okay, you leave. Jane, no need Akshara. Jane, come on, Jane. What is 3 ones are?
Yes,
3 ones are.
3 ones are 3.
Good. Again, 3 ones are.
3.
Good. 3 threes are.
3 threes are 6.
No. Say the table of 3. 1 3 is 3. Come on.
6. 3 threes are 9.
Very good. Over. 3 threes are 9. Good. Pratika. Last one, Pratika. Last one. Pratika, last one. 121 into 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. 1 4
4
is.
ones are 4.
Yeah.
1 fours are 4.
2 fours are.
2 fours are
8.
2 fours are 8.
Yes, okay. Then,
1 fours are 4.
yes. Now, children, you don't worry about telling the table. You can take both ways. 2 fours are or 4 twos are. So the answer is 484. Sujin, did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now, children, you have to find out the answer. Everybody. Okay, now. Okay, children. Now, we have completed that worksheet. Tomorrow, we will do another one. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Still, some more children must join.